Well, my last truck had a remote start. I kind of got spoiled by it. So this one here, winter's coming up, so I'm gonna put a remote start in this one. So here's a plug and play. I'm not sponsored by it, I'm not paid by it. This is out of my own pocket. I just want to do my video on it. I'll show you how to install it, how easy it is to install this remote start. The one I've got is a Start X. It comes with the module. A tool to pop off your cowling and cover, your OBD2 harness, and your steering column harness. Also comes with a sticker you put under your hood for warning saying you have remote start. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to install this. Should take about 15 minutes or so. Alright, so one of the first things you're going to do, you'll be able to turn your steering wheel one way. You'll have a screw here. You remove this screw, turn the ignition on, turn your steering wheel the other way. You'll have a screw on the opposite side. So you'll remove those two screws. Alright, once those two screws are removed, you want to get your tool they send you. You'll stick it under your turn signals. Just pop that off on that side, and on the other side, under your wiper, same thing. Stick it under. And you'll pop that down. Once you get it popped down, you just remove it. Another thing you're going to do is pop off this cover here. You remove your floor. Mine's broken, so it just comes right off. Pull off your floor piece, corner piece. You'll have a bolt right here. You have a bolt right here to remove those two. All right, so these are going to be 10 millimeter. Another thing, pop this end piece off right there. After you get your two screws out, you should be able to pull your cover off. Just need to lean it forward. So you'll lean this forward so that way you can access under there. Alright, so I'm going to get my first harness that goes in the column. Right back here, white block. Unplug it. I've had the right harness. Plug it to your T-harness, and plug your T-harness back in to that one. You get your second T-harness. And right here behind your ignition, you'll have another plug. Looks like that. So you'll unplug it from ignition, plug it into your T-harness, and plug your T-harness back into ignition. Next step, your OBD2 port. Just get your tool on the side of it, push that clip in, and it will pop right out. So get your T-harness, and so you're just pushing in on a clip right there and it pops out. So you'll plug that into your harness, and then put your harness plug back in this spot. There you go. All right. So on your module, you're gonna have a button on the side. So plug in your big block. Now when you plug the small one in, push and hold that button. Then plug the small one in. Hold that button until it flashes. You can let go. Alright, I'm gonna program the module. So before you plug in this 20-pin harness, you push and hold that button. Plug in your harness. Should flash red. Okay, there's flashing red. Release the button. Okay, now you'll get your key. Turn the key in off position. Remove the key. Start the key ignition. Wait till it flashes green. Remove the key. Okay. All right. So hold that button down. Plug in your harness until it flashes. Alright, once it flashes, you turn your key to on position, not start, until green flashes. Maybe I missed it. Turn the key off, remove the key, insert the key, and do not turn it. Wait for start the vehicle. After 15 seconds, press and hold the brake pedal, and then press and release this button here. So we're going to press and hold the brake, and then we're going to press and release this. That's flashing green. Release the brake. Should have 2 green flashes. All right, let's see if it worked. Alrighty. Took me a few tries. I finally read the manual properly, a little slower. To make sure if you have your manual, make sure you do the programming the correct way, because I was missed a couple of steps. I didn't realize it. So now that I've got program right, so get the remote. If there's no one in the truck, So 1, 2, 3. All right, see my radio just came on. Now it starts. And if you want to shut it back off, 1, 2, 3, and that shuts it off. So I'm gonna try something. I was told it had another feature. So 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna unlock it. Now I was told that if you, so the key on right now, let's see. Oh, so I gotta push the brake, should disable them. Alright, so I'm off right now. So I'm gonna start it back up with the key. Now with it running, let's say I wanna go to the gas station, I need to go get inside. It's cold outside, I wanna shut my truck off, so I'll hit 1, 2, 3. Wait for a little bit for that module to kick in. Now I should turn my key off. It stays running. So I can go inside, come back out, and it will stay running. As you can see, you can see the tack. There you go. I'm still running right there. With the keys out. So you just come back out, go back in, and continue. So, hope this helped you. Like I said, it's a pretty easy install. Just make sure you follow the instructions clearly. I had trouble with the instructions. I read them, trying to do it off memory. So I think I did it like 3-4 times before I finally did it. This is for the dot key. You see right there in the blade, there's a dot. There's a couple different keys. So make sure this one here is actually for the dot key. So if you have any, then you just go through. They supply zip ties. There is a hood switch in here if you want to install a hood switch where if the hood's up it wouldn't start. But here they provide zip ties. Now you just need to secure all your wires and reattach all your panels. So I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. There's also going to be a link in the description on where I bought this for this one. So hope it helps.